If you have felt affected by entities or spirit attachment, you may already know how frightening, exhausting, and isolating the experience can be. You may be struggling with disrupted sleep, intrusive sensations, or a sense that something is present. You may also have searched for answers and found information that made everything feel more alarming. Freedom from Entities offers a different approach. This is a grounded guide to understanding what may actually be happening, clearing what does not belong, rebuilding your energy, and feeling like yourself again. I'm Katie Weatherup. Drawing on more than 25 years of shamanic practice and over 10,000 shamanic journeys, I share why lasting freedom often involves more than a single clearing. The book looks at the entities themselves, but also at the energy body, your psychic abilities, the nervous system, the mind, and the patterns that can remain after a difficult experience. You'll learn about different kinds of entities and spirit attachments, how they may gain access to the human energy field, and why they are often less powerful than they feel. You'll learn how fear, hypervigilance, and disrupted sleep can amplify energetic experiences and make it difficult to tell what is happening now from what your system has learned to expect. The book offers practical support for protecting your sleep, strengthening your personal energy field, clearing and protecting your home, and creating energetic safety while traveling. You'll explore energetic hygiene, repairing damage to the auric field, working more wisely with psychic sensitivity, establishing stronger energetic boundaries, and developing a personal maintenance practice that helps you stay free. There's also guidance for choosing outside support, navigating relationships with people who may not understand what you are experiencing, and recognizing when mental health care belongs alongside spiritual and energetic work. This book does not ask you to dismiss your experience. It offers a grounded way to understand what may be happening, to respond effectively, and to move forward toward lasting freedom. The goal is to help you reclaim the parts of your life that fear and energetic disruption may have taken over. Because ultimately, freedom is not about spending the rest of your life focused on entities. It's about sleeping, creating, connecting, traveling, working, and living as yourself again. Freedom from Entities is available now on Amazon. You'll find the link in the description.